Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing and durability test, which means whichever phone we do try to review on the channel, we always start with the durability. So this is the RealMe 2 Pro and today is time to see a quick unboxing and a full durability test of this phone. So previously the RealMe phone we tested was the RealMe 2. So this phone survived mostly all the basic tests on the real life. So we are hoping RealMe 2 Pro should carry on the same design perspective. Let's get started and see how durable is the RealMe 2 Pro in the real life.
So first take a look inside the box content. So packaging is exactly same like you get on the RealMe 2. So there is a TPU case. We will do the drop test with that case also. Some paperworks you are getting, and there should be some SIM injections tool too. I did not find it yet. And this one is your lake blue color, and this is your data syncing cable, charging cable, USB 2.0 to micro USB, and this should be standard charging. There's no fast charging at 5 volt 2 ampere. At the last we have the phone. So these are all the contents of the box that you will be getting inside it. Now here's a closer look on the phone. How does it looks like? So no doubt phone looks beautiful. This is not the aluminum, they should be the plastic. I don't think so construction is going to be changed from the RealMe 2 to the 2 Pro, because most things are just retained fingerprints. The design has been changed. Camera seems to me slightly wider, but should be very marginal. Top you have a nice constellation mic. This is your 2 nano SIM card alongside SD card too, like you're getting in the most of the phones here. And this is your volume button. Both are separate, should be of the plastic. Will verify on the scratch test. Speakers, micro USB. This is your headphone jack, and some for calling purpose. This side you have the power button. So this is how they should compare and look like. So definitely teardrop notch. If you like the notch, I think you should go for the teardrop because it looks more symmetrical, beautiful compared to the traditional old one. And out of the box we'll be getting Android 8.1.0. hopefully you should be getting Android Pie very soon, not sure, but by the next year you can expect. So you're getting a very high quality scratch protector, but this will simply save from the scratches, not from the drops. So stay tuned, I will be showing you very soon some of the good temper glasses that you can apply. So let's start with the scratch test. So this is a multi-layer plastic, not the glass. If it was glass, it would have been broken till now, but it definitely feels like very reflective and the complete glossy design. So you can add your complete branding too. Now let's try out this fingerprint sensor. So far it is working, and I think it is not the metal this time because it feels to me very soft. Should be glass because it's difficult to get ceramic on this price segment like we have seen on the Pocophone F1. Somehow they did that, but I believe this is glass, but it has got broken for me in that my case. So try to keep it safe, but still let's try if it is working or not. So pretty difficult choice here. So far it is working. Let's see if maybe if the plastic comes out, so it should stop working with time. Anyways, I think the metal one should be better compared to the plastic one. Maybe some kind of cost cutting they have done here. This is glass actually, not the plastic. Okay, let's try out the camera lens too. This should be covered under the Gorilla Glass 3 like the company said on the top and the back. So you should not be getting any scratches, but still it is good to have some kind of protection. You can apply some skins, maybe some hard case too here. And LED flash has separate cutout, but that should not be a problem. You will get the same light intensity even if it get scratches. The RealMe branding is inside the complete plastic, but still you can scratch it if you don't like it. It just scratches the plastic, not the branding itself. On the front side, the just the camera is there, which is under the glass. We will see the scratch test later. But I think some kind of issues here because most phones we have tested on the budget side with the Gorilla Glass 3, they seems to be more softer, but this one feels to me a little bit of rough because recently we just tried the Moto One Power and other phones too. They all are having Gorilla Glass 3. You can see I can easily make some scratches. That is why company has included just a lot tough screen protector. This is the RealMe 2. I am having the same kind of a scratch there. So pretty much I don't know exactly, I don't have more scales, but it is Gorilla Glass 3 or not, but so far it doesn't seem to be very high quality. Let's try for the edges. These edges are made out of the plastic, similar to like we have seen on the RealMe 2. You can use the chip off, so with time I guess with the minor scratches tends to, you can lose the shining, so use some kind of protective cases. Better use the one you are getting out of the box. So everywhere if you just try to scratch or try to make some mark, buttons are also made from the plastic like the similar in the RealMe 2. So they have the mostly the same construction. The camera is inside the glass, so it's safe as of now. And the speaker grill should be made out of the metal, because that's what we have seen on the Realme 2, but here it is slightly bigger because the position is slightly different, so company wanted to make it as big as possible so that you will get the proper voice. See, that is why they made it this time big. Okay, so that's fine. Now try to do something else. By the way, if you're interested to see me, I have another cooking channel too. I'm not very active there, but yeah, monthly 1 or 2 times I try to post some good stuff which is helpful for your cooking things. So do check out the link in the description for some of the recent video uploaded there. So yeah, you can use this phone as an emergency backup, in case you're out for fun and outing, maybe on the hillside. You can use for the cooking purpose. It's fun to see here. I'm just showing you here. So this is a slicer knife, very sharp knife. You can actually cut the bone pieces with that. So if I get any scratches here on the phone, definitely it's not the Gorilla Glass 3. So I'll show you the guys complete scratch test result after the water test, because the phone will take complete bath. So that's why I'm just sticking here. So let's do some extreme testing. I included that thing. Let me know in the comment if you want me to include such tests, because so we should be expecting some deeper marks on the backside because it is plastic. So yes, glass is more tough. You can see there is a lot of new scratches which were not there earlier. So Gorilla Glass 3 or 5 back should have been avoided that thing. Anyways, that's fine. Try with the screen side the same kind of test. Anyway, let me show you first the water test, and I'll show you that result later. So Realme 2 we tested earlier, that works fine, still it is working great. So we should be hoping the same kind of result with the Realme 2 Pro also, because they have the same construction more or less. Anyway, so do not try that thing in your home, because that thing may void your warranty. Your phone may or may not survive. It is just fun test. So we are about to complete 1 minute. Let's take the phone out and try to clean it, then we will verify the speakers and other things like it is working fine or not. Now it is time to try the bend test on the phone. Since this is a phone made from the plastic material, the chassis is also plastic, so it is perfectly natural. You may see some little bit of flex on the phone. No matter you try to bend from either direction, it's perfectly fine. Metal phone do try to get permanent deformation, but the good thing with the plastic is that until you are applying a controlled force, or maybe up to extreme extent too, you can easily try to bend it in the opposite direction. That will simply make your phone to come back to the normal position. So this is one of the property of the plastic phone, but certainly they are not more durable than metal, because definitely they will take a lot of strength to break. So here's one I tried maximum that you can even try. So phone is perfectly fine. We have seen the same construction like we have seen on the Realme 2. So both phones are Realme 2 and 2 Pro are sort of bend proof, you can assume. Now here's a quick scratch test summary, because the phone is completely clean now. So remember this Moto One Power, last week we tried the glass test in the similar way that we tried for the Realme 2 Pro. Now if we just clean the screen, you can see there is no scratch at all. I mean those are dust particles, because I'm using them from a couple of days. There is no scratch at all. Realme 2 we tried a lot of hard tests, not the box test, but we used a lot of deeper knife marks, but there is no scratch at all. Some minor hairline scratches are there, but if you take the Realme 2 Pro, you can see after cleaning we can see there's huge number of deep scratches marks here. Probably, I'm not sure what kind of Gorilla Glass 3 quality is there. There should be Gorilla Glass 3 if the company is saying, but really not sure it is 100% pure or not. I'm not sure about that, guys. Please let me know in the comment. But certainly there is some issues with the display, because the other phones it's not taking scratches, but this phone with the same glass coating took a lot of scratches in the similar way. Anyway, I'm just showing you here what I got. So this is the water test summary. Now let's verify the fingerprint sensor. Earlier it was working, so now it is not working. I mean 1 or 2 times it did work, but after that it did not. Maybe the water may have get inside, because this is a broken glass piece, so already the water may be inside. Hopefully if the water goes out or dried up, it should start working soon. So far use a face unlock or the pin so do try to protect your fingerprint scanner. It's very fragile. I still prefer the metal one, it's more fragile and robust. It works always. Now let's do verify other things too. The speaker, so the speakers are also working, no such problem.
So now it is time to do the final test, that is the drop test. Now a lot of people are asking about whether you should use the case that is coming with the box or not out of the box. So first we'll do some drop tests with the case on it, then later on we will remove the case and we will try to do the drop test. 3, 2, 1. Perfectly working. Rear side. Camera lens, okay. Screen side. Working fine. 5 to 6 feet height. Top side. Bottom side. Perfect. Rear side. Everything fine. Screen side. तो विद केस आपका फ़ोन परफेक्टली काम कर रहा है, तो हम केस को निकालते हैं, फिर ड्रॉप करते हैं फ़ोन को, देखते हैं फ़ोन काम करता है कि नहीं करता है. सिंस बॉटम साइड 3 feet हाइट. टॉप साइड. Works fine. Rear side. Working fine. Screen side. SIM tray came out. No problem. 5 to 6 feet height. Top side. Bottom side. Perfect. Rear side. Perfect, no problem. Display okay. So this is the final screen side, 5 to 6 feet height. So Realme 2 is perfectly working. So we have seen the complete durability test. Still we have so many glass pieces here. Now it is time to just show you guys quick summary. So on the last we dropped the phone with the case. Without case the phone is perfectly working fine, but like I said, it depends on surface to surface too. It is always recommended to use some sort of case. The official case we tried, it's good, so you can count on that thing. Alright, so regarding the fingerprint sensor, it is made out of the glass, and I'll say 1 out of 2 times it is working, not more than that. Maybe there is a water inside that. If I just try again, so you see it is not working, so it's not taking my fingerprint. Maybe there is some water, so I will have to let you guys know in the future. On the display, I'm not sure about the 100% what is that behind, because recently we tried the Moto One Power, and here you can see there's no such scratches at all. It's perfectly fine with the same box test and all the tests, but here I can see some deeper marks here. So Really, I cannot comment that thing because I don't have more skills to test. You guys can check out some other channels too. And on the Realme 2, there is no such scratches at all, which are basically visible. But here there are some deeper marks there. So do try to use some tempered glass. So anyway, guys, that's your Realme 2 Pro complete durability test. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos like that. This is Saurabh. Talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day.